Jessica is asleep.
Oh, no.
Yeah, she's asleep.
I want to wake her up.
Let's see if I can wake her up. She's going to be like, no. So, yeah, let's wake her up a little. Let's see if we can wake her up.
Oh, no.
Because Carla is like, is paranoid and everything else. So, hang on a second here. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
If she ain't up on that, I pretty much might well just let her die. Not let her die, but let her sleep. Anyways, nothing like getting woken up by the TLS and the Late Show Radio Networks. And yes, I said the Nutworks. Oh my God. TLS. Rockin'. Here's Scorned. This is asleep.
Okay.
So, she's still asleep, but we're now turned on in her room.
Really?
Yeah. So, right now, her mom has the stereo turned all the way up. So, Jess is asleep. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little bit of a alarm clock.
Oh, no.
So this is our TLS alarm clock. I hope you guys are ready for this. And if you're listening to us after 3 p.m. and everything else, this is basically to wake everybody up. We're in the bedroom. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Now!
Waking up. Don't rely on conventional alarm clocks. Get a personal wake-up call from Good Morning Hot Mess.
Good morning, Hot Mess. This is your wake-up call.
Do I have to be on the set?
No, Miss Lohan.
Do I have an audition today?
No, but you do have a personal appearance.
I do?
At the City Morgue to start your court-ordered community service.
Oh, that. Just give me 40 more minutes.
Good Morning Hot Mess is the perfect way to start your day when you think the rules don't apply to you.
Good morning again, Hot Mess. It's been 40 minutes.
Give me 20 more. They'll be cool with it.
TLS rockin' and waking up the dead.